If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. Now I'm gonna record this for YouTube. Copyright's really a big issue on this, but I could always watch it, upload it on Patreon if anything. Develop official MV music video. Why did I say MV music video? J Soul Brothers. Let's go. Some familiar dance. Oh, we are closed. Oh. Oh, I don't think there's water on that mop, my boy. Oh. Oh, he get. Oh, them hips still moving. I see you, sir. Hey. Hey, hey. I don't think that mop. What? Is the subtitles? I don't know if there's subtitles. Oh, there's. Hey, he said turn off the light. Wait, did she look back at it? Wait, who is that? Bitch, it's you, Sienna La, bitch. Wait, is that Audrey too? Wait, was that Sienna and her sister? That was loud. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That was, I just got hyped. Oh! Yeah. Okay. Oh, what are we doing here? Ariana. Ooh, the beat's fire. Ooh, homeboy was body rolling with that ish. Yeah. Ooh. Oh wait, I recognize some of the dancers. Bro. Oh, bro, big up to Sienna Lalau. Audrey, is her name Audrey? Did I say that right? Wait, hold up. Is it Audrey? Bro, I can't believe I forgot her name and I met this girl. Yes, this girl, Miss Queen right here. Audrey, okay, oh my God, I said it right, thank God. I felt like so bad if I got your name wrong. I'm so sorry, I love you. What? My girlfriend loves you too, so just let you know. This is iconic. Woo! Yeah. Hey. Ooh, the lighting is crazy on this too. How you do it like that? How you do that? I can't do that. Nope, I can't do that either. Yeah. Damn. Such energy, bro. So this is from Exo Tribe, no? Develop. Ooh. What? He's so cute. What happened? What? Wait, does it say the like the dancers' names? Let me see. So it's her sister, the Lalau sisters, Audrey, Alexis, Sean Bailey, Taylor. Oh, Krista. I see. So wait. This is from Exo Tribe. How many subunits are in Exo Tribe? Can someone like break that? Can you break that down for me? I'm gonna ask Barry Tweet because you're the one that's always submitting these. Like there's so many versions. So there's Psychic Fever. It's on Wiki. Okay, she just gave me the fucking Wiki answer. All right, never mind. I'll just search it up on Wiki. She's like, it's a lot. It's on Wiki. All right, I'm gonna do my research on Exo Tribe because it seemed like there's a lot. Yeah, that was fire, by the way. It's more than NCT, Dre. What? There's currently 12 subunit groups in Exo Tribe, or just groups in general? Bruh, I was just stuck on Psychic Fever, bruh. I was just stuck on Psychic Fever. My God.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.